Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. Because this one equals to number 0, so this one we can find only complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. And now we need to put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have like this. So e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. So for this one, we will have lambda equals to negative number 1 plus the square root of number 2 over 2, and lambda equals to negative number 1 minus the square root of number 2 over 2, and we put I in here. So we have y equals to yc, and this one we have c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. Now we need to change lambda into this one. And we have c number 2 e to the power of negative number 1 minus the square root of number 2 over 2i, and we put about s. So in this situation, we can write like this. We have c number 1 e to the power of negative s, and I will write cosine the square root of number 2 over 2s, and we have c number 2 e to the power of negative s sine of the square root of number 2 over 2 s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.